career. Today I have brought a review for the simple affiliate machine which you will love. This has a potential to earn $283.65 per day, and is definitely going to make your financial freedom. Is completely done for you. No domain, website or hosting needed. Perfect for even most basic newbie. Webinar on how to earn a six-figure income online will be taught once you have brought this product. People just like you and me are making good money with right now, and this has a 30 days no question asked money back guarantee. Made the creators John and Leon. They have over 15 years of experience in this line, and they are selling lot many products which are being used and which is making people like you and me some good money. This machine inside covers a range of niches, so no matter what your affiliate marketing prefers, you will find everything inside, and nobody is going to hand you on a platter like this product has done. However, if you are prepared to work hard and focus on your goal, then you can invited to join inside, where you can get a very good monthly income. Problem faced. First thing, if you want to promote a product and you have no reputation, in fact, no vendor would like to invite you because they don't know your reputation. Secondly, if even if you get approved, how do you get traffic? So all both problems have been solved in this particular product. In this case, you can build your reputation and put money in your pocket at the same time, because you will earn as you learn, and you will learn faster, and you will make money also faster. This method doesn't require any expensive method. Building a website, building funnel, making videos, creating a blog, spending hours of your time, product creation, and time consuming methods. You will work only these three simple steps. Grab a copy of this product, and it takes about 2 minutes to start. Then get your link on affiliate machine and start driving traffic using the free method shown. Then watch payment hitting your PayPal account day in, day out. Some questions are already answered. Why it is different? Because it is our best make this perfect newbie, and anybody can do it. And how fast you can see the result. That people have seen result within 24 hours after putting in some work. Anything investment is needed? No, no further investment is needed, and everything is online working for you. What if I don't see a result? There is no problem. You are covered by 30 days money back guarantee, and in case you don't like this product, you can get your all penny, single penny, whatever you have invested back. What is inside? There are 15 simple affiliate machines are inside this method. Then complete setup training, detail involved, how to set up training, and this is free traffic for your product, and then complete traffic training, and then uh, in advanced method you can increase your profit from simple affiliate machine and get you hitting these big paydays. We are showing these four fast action bonuses also. Private Facebook group where you can join and ask question and connect with other affiliate marketers. Bing ads for pennies, then Facebook ads. You will learn how to drive traffic from your Facebook to your affiliate machine, and pocket change traffic. More method driving traffic to your affiliate machine for very cheap. So you are getting 15 complete simple affiliate machine webinar how to make 80K to 150K every month. All resources you need to get started 4 quick action bonuses, FB Mastermind access, highest quality support, 100% proven system that works, and the ironclad 30 days money back guarantee. You have 5 upgrades in this product. One is this simple affiliate machine pro where you get additional machines. Then monthly simple affiliate machine, that is you will get 4 of their affiliate machines every month. Then 6-month one-to-one coaching. Then reseller right, and upgrade 5 is your own unique product. They will help you to make your own product. And then inside is the traffic training webinar, then little black book of traffic and social traffic plan. So friends, what are you waiting for? Just click the link below to get this awesome product and my huge bonuses. In case you have any problem, this is, as I told you earlier, this product comes with 30 days money back guarantee. So you are not losing anything. Only you will lose the revenue which you are going to earn if you don't buy this product. Go ahead and click the link below. All the best. Thank you.